It defines who plays which role in a business transaction before any sales order is even created. It is the constitutional law of your customer relationships. If partner determination is weak or inconsistent, orders get blocked, mandatory partner missing errors haunt end users. Billing fails, invoices are generated without a payer, causing posting failures in finance. Credit checks don't trigger if the payer is not correctly identified, credit exposure is not updated. Reporting becomes unreliable, sales by customer becomes meaningless if the sold to and billed to are mixed up. A strong SD design forces correctness at the master data level, so users don't have to think during transactions. Why partner determination exists. In a simple lemonade stand, the person buying the lemonade is the person drinking it and the person paying for it. In enterprise business, B2B, these roles are rarely the same person or entity. Buyer, sold to. The head office negotiating the price. Receiver, shipped to. The factory receiving the goods. Invoice recipient, bill to. The shared service center processing the invoice. Payer. The corporate bank account entity settling the debt. SAPSD models this reality using partner functions. Partner determination ensures 1. Correct responsibility assignment. We know exactly whom to call for delivery issues versus payment issues. 2. Legal and financial correctness. We bill the entity with the valid tax ID. 3. Automation. When you select a customer, all related addresses flow in automatically. Without partner determination, SD would be manual chaos. Users would have to type 4 different addresses for every single order. Partner determination procedures. A partner determination procedure is a rule set, configured in T-code VOPAN, that defines the behavior of partners within a specific object. In the customer master context, the procedure defines greater than which partner roles a customer can or must have stored in their master record. It answers questions like, does this customer need a forwarding agent stored in their master data? Is the sales employee field mandatory when creating a new customer? Configuration controls, mandatory. You cannot save the customer master without this partner. Not modifiable. Once set, it cannot be changed. Rare in master data, common in documents. Unique, you can only have one partner of this type. Example. A customer usually has only one tax representative. Partner functions in procedure. Partner functions represent business roles. These are the actors in the play. Common SD partner functions. AG, sold to party. The contracting party. WE, shipped to party. The logistics destination. RE, billed to party. The invoice address. RG, payer. The financial guarantor. Senior insight. Greater than partner function design reflects business contract structure. If you are implementing SAP for a construction company, you might need custom partner functions like Site Manager, Z1, or Architect, Z2. If you are in pharma, you might need Prescribing Doctor, Z3. Partner determination procedure assignment. Partner determination procedures are assigned to customer account groups, T-code, OBD2, or VOPA. This is the link between type of customer and rules for customer. Sold to account group 0001, assigned a procedure where AG, WE, RERG are all allowed. Shipped to account group 0002, assigned a restricted procedure where only WE and AG are relevant. You wouldn't assign a payer to a warehouse address. One-time customer, CPD, assigned a simplified procedure because relationships are transient. The golden rule. Greater than right customer type, right partner structure, right transaction behavior. Partner functions, detailed understanding. You must understand the big four deeply. Sold to party, AG. Role, the central customer. The owner of the master data. Impact, triggers pricing, order type determination, and sales reporting. Constraint. In most designs, the AG is unique, a customer is themselves. Shipped to party, WE. Role, the physical destination. Impact drives tax jurisdiction in US or Canada. Route determination, shipping point, and unloading point. Constraint, a single sold to can have hundreds of shipped tos. Example, Walmart HQ buying for 500 stores. Bill to party RE. Role, the mailing address for the paper or PDF invoice. Impact drives output determination, who gets the email, and usually country-specific tax rules. VAT registration is checked here. Risk: if the bill to is in a different country than the payer, cross-border tax logic activates. Payer, RG. Role, the wallet. Impact: this is the link to FI-AR, accounts receivable. The credit limit is checked against the payer, not the sold to. Critical: if payer is missing, no accounting document can be generated. Account groups function assignment. This is where real control happens. It is a specific configuration step that says, for account group 0001, partner function AG is allowed. For account group 0002, partner function RG is not allowed. Why is this vital? It prevents users from doing stupid things, like trying to assign a payer role to a goods receipt point. Example: Z001, sold to. A G mandatory. Can have many WEs. Z002, shipped to. WE mandatory. Cannot function as a payer. This prevents master data misuse. Automatic partner proposal logic. When a user creates a sales order and enters the sold to party, SAP triggers the partner determination logic. 1. Check procedure. What partners do I need for this order type? 2. Scan master data. Go to the customer master of the sold to. 3. Retrieve. Grab the partners stored there. WERERG. 4. Populate. Fill them into the sales order. The hierarchy of logic. If one partner exists in master data, auto-populate. If multiple partners exist, example: 5 ship tos. Pop-up list asks user to choose. If no partner exists, error. If mandatory. Changeability control. In the partner determination procedure, there is a flag for changeable. Not changeable. The field is grayed out in the document. Changeable, the user can overwrite the default. Best practice: sold to, never changeable. Changing the sold to resets the whole order structure, pricing, texts, etc. Payer, strictly controlled. You don't want sales reps changing the payer to bypass credit blocks. Ship to, changeable. Logistics needs flexibility. Senior insight: too much flexibility equals data inconsistency. If you allow users to manually type addresses instead of selecting master data, you break reporting. Real project scenarios. Scenario 1. The distributor model. One-to-many. Context: you sell to a distributor, sold to. They ask you to drop ship to their 50 end customers. Configuration: the sold to master data must contain 50 ship to partner entries. Process: user enters distributor ID, selects end customer from pop-up list. Scenario 2. The corporate group, many to one. Context: you sell to 10 different subsidiaries of a holding company. The holding company pays all the bills. Configuration: 10 different sold to customers. All 10 have the same payer, RG, partner number in their master data. Result: credit limit is checked centrally against the holding company. Scenario 3. The export regulation. Context: international trade. Configuration: you add a mandatory partner function CB, customs broker. Control: the system prevents creating a customer master for export regions unless a licensed customs broker is assigned. Common configuration mistakes. 1. Making all partner roles optional leads to incomplete data and downstream errors. 2. Partner role explosion, creating Z1, Z2, Z3 partners for things that could be handled by text fields, slowing down the system. 3. Mixing account groups, assigning a vendor account group to a customer partner function without proper linking. 4. Ignoring FI alignment, creating a pair partner in SD that doesn't exist in the company code, FI. Causing billing to fail posting. Debugging partner issues, how seniors do it. When a consultant screams the partners aren't determining, do not guess. Follow the chain. 1. Check account group, is the customer created in the right group? 2. Check procedure assignment, is the account group assigned the correct procedure in VOPA? 3. Check master data, XD03. Go to the Partner Functions tab. Are the partners actually maintained there? 4. Check partner function configuration. Is the partner function defined as a customer partner type KU? Never start debugging in the sales order, VA01. Always start at the master data. Mental model to remember. Think of partner determination in customer master as the casting call. Customer master: you are selecting the actors who can play the roles. Sales order. The play actually starts. Customer master partner determination locks the business model before transactions begin. Final perspective. Partner determination in customer master is preventative control. Good design. The user enters one number, sold to, and the system autofills the shipping address, billing address, payer, sales rep, and route. It feels like magic. Bad design. The user has to manually look up and type in 5 different codes. A junior consultant fixes partner issues in orders. A senior consultant designs partner determination so issues never occur.